Most people trying to build a personal brand online are stuck in the same place, invisible. They post, they show up, they try everything the gurus say, but nothing sticks. No traction, no real demand. Why? Because they skipped the first pillar of a personal brand that works. Clarify. Look, the game has changed. It's not about just posting valuable content anymore. It's not about showing up with authority. Because if your positioning isn't clear, you're invisible, no matter how much you post, no matter how talented you are. In today's market, clarity beats content. Here's why most brands stay invisible. First, they don't have a clear value proposition. They can't answer for who and what changes for them. Second, they rely on generic content, tips, motivational quotes, trends, but nothing that positions them. Third, they inconsistent. One post sounds like a coach, another sounds like a consultant, another sounds like a marketer. The market doesn't know what box to put them in. And here's the big shift. It's not about what you do. It's about what you make people feel and believe about you. That's what gets remembered. That's what creates demand. So, how do you fix this? Here's my simple clarify checklist. Get crystal clear on your target audience. Who are you speaking to? Not everyone, the right ones. Get clear on the transformation you deliver. How do people change after working with you? Get clear on your tone and language. What is the feeling you want to leave in the market? How should people describe you to others? If you don't clarify the things first, you keep posting and wondering why nothing's landing. But once you do, everything changes. Your content starts attracting the right people. You stop chasing and start positioning. You create signal, not noise. In the next video, I'll show you how to take this clarity and distill it into a signal that actually sticks in the market. See you there.